Hey, hi everyone, it's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travel. We made it to our stateroom.
Woohoo, Chris.
So this is a club balcony with access to the thermal spa room. So it's just a club balcony on the 14th floor.
Okay. 14165, and then here you get little signs. You can say you need service. All right, so this is the room when you first walk in, of course. For the lights, you put your key card in, otherwise your lights do not work. I'll come in. We'll do the bathrooms last. So this is bed. It's over by the door, not the balcony. So it's a nice size bed. And couch, and those open up. And we got all kinds of storage up here. Like literally storage everywhere. Okay. Open those up. Down below. Nope, underneath.
No, not really.
No rail, nothing.
No.
These open.
No, don't look like it.
These open for storage. These open for storage. And here's our balcony. There's your mirrors. It's a good sized balcony. It's hard to. This is the port. Puerto Rico. And then there's storage here, behind the mirrors. One closet. And since we have access to the spa, it gives us a robe and slippers. You don't get to take them home, but they also have robes at the spa. So, and then here's another set of closets with the safe. And then down there's the mini bar, which just because you have the drink package, you do not get those. That does cost, but if you want to put your stuff in there, like I said, the safe, it looks like. And here is cups. I think the water is please enjoy this complimentary bottle of sparkling wine. We get the wine. We get a wine. But the water, no. And then, so this is a long counter. And then all of this is storage. Every one of these things is storage. So we definitely have lots of storage. Every one of these is a storage. So, yes, and then there's storage down here with baskets. Storage down here, pretty big with baskets. And then just down here, under here, is where the plug. So that is where the plugs are. You just get 2 plugs, and then the 2 Europeans. And then storage. And then a seat. And the hair dryer. So that is on this side. And then a mirror. And you get another big closet. Very long, very big closet. And the same over here. You You got some hangers, shelves and closets. Now here's the infamous bathroom situation, what everyone talks about. So here is the sink next to the bed. Storage up there. You have some shelving, very tiny little sink. That's shaving only, razors. And then you have soaps. You got some drawers, tissues, another set of drawers. And this, I have a feeling this is where you're supposed to put your dirty clothes, your dirty towels. Shelf. I'll go to the bed later. This is the toilet. So it is separate. So it has a sliding door, and then just the toilet. So it's completely separate from, this is the shower. You got 2 hooks on the outside. The shower does the same. It's a good sized shower, actually pretty good sized shower. Hooks in there. There's the clothesline. So it is a long shower, pretty big. And you have your shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And that's how you turn the water on. You gotta turn it once, press the button, turn it on, get your temperature. The only thing I wish they had is a little footrest thing. It's for us ladies to shave our legs. And that's the bath mat. And then the door. And I guess you close the shower door. And then it has a privacy curtain. So, privacy curtain. Well, it's not too bad. I mean, everyone thinks it's weird. And this is our room. And the bed does not have any switches, just has light switches, but does not have any plugs. So the only plugs, it looks like, are over underneath. And there's the phone and shelves up there. So lighting and everything like that. And then, like I said, there's tons of those are storage up there. So, all right. Hope you like this room tour. And we'll be talking to you later. Please like and subscribe.